Mo- Right. So let's get started, okay? All right, Rakesh.
Yes, sir.
So this would be the mock round interview, okay? So I would be starting it off again this. So 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 mock round interview will be including Rakesh here is not going to be asked only on the technical grind. The interview will check your stability, interview will check your comm skill and everything, okay? So that would be the purpose of the interview, okay? So I would be starting with your I would be starting it, okay? So,
Yes, sir. Continue.
all right. So, as in any interview, Rakesh, the very first question would be that please introduce yourself. So, this would be the first question that you're going to be in any interview, irrespective of any interview or attending. Okay, wait for any profile. This would be the first question that you are going to get it. Okay. So, I would be also like to start with the same question that please introduce yourself. Okay.
Okay. So, hi, good morning, Arif. My name is Rakesh. I have around 3 years of experience in SAP Success Factors, which including the modules of Employee Central onboarding and support project of LMS also. So, as currently I'm working in Gemini Consulting and Services, um, and right now I'm looking for a job change.
Okay. So you're saying that you are currently a success factor consultant, right?
Yes.
And what capacity you're working in your organization?
I'm working as associate consultant.
Mm.
I am involved in implementation project of employee central and onboarding.
Okay. All right. So you are working as an associate consultant in onboarding and employee center, right? And you have
Yes.
expertise on these two module, correct? If I'm not
Yes.
wrong.
Yes.
All right. So can you elaborate that what you know in onboarding module? What all things you know about?
In onboarding, I have involved in
Mm.
role-based permissions and process variant manager.
Mm-hmm.
I have worked on multiple business rules also and email services and succession data model also I have involved in. These are the major parts which I have involved in. Document management and all those things.
Mm-hmm. So you're saying that you know about the onboarding module. So, what are the activities that that will be done in onboarding? Can you help me out with that?
Yeah, uh, the
Right from
sequence, I mean, like from the implementation sequence will start from enabling the onboarding and provisioning.
I'm
Later
talking,
come,
yeah, I'm talking about the activities that you are doing in the onboarding. I'm not asking you to how do you implement the onboarding.
okay, okay. As I said, I involved in role-based permissions. Coming to we have gone through according to the business blueprint and workbook which we have got, and we used to have day-to-day calls from our client. So in that we used to discuss what all the things which need to be configured, and we used to go through the testing also whether it is working right or not. I mean, as we configured it or not. For be it be the process variant manager, like in which we used to work on uh, hiring managers, profile, review new high data, personal data collection, uh, additional data collection,
Okay.
and uh, documents and e-signature, all those things coming to this process variant manager. And next I worked on email services also, email notifications, whether all, are those working fine or not, by uh, enabling them and making the necessary changes as client requested, and testing them whether they are working properly or not. And
Okay.
I worked on crossboarding also, whether by using the event reasons, whether employees are getting cross-boarded or not in that way.
All right. Got it. All right. So as you told that you know about the variant and the review new hire data and personal data, can you help me out with that? How review new hire data step is getting implemented or configured in the system? What are the what sort of steps you need to take it to uh, configure the review new hire data step?
Revenue head data step, as it will be enabled, the whole process will be enabled with creating a process variant manager,
Mm,
and it should be uh, integrate we have to map it with the business rule, so that it will be enabled, and it will be worked, and hiring manager should be provided for that process variant, and there will be a business rule called HM review check. We have to enable that business rule also.
mhm.
uh, Coming to the next one, after reviewing head data, it is personal data collection.
No,
This
I'm just asking a review new hire data. So you are telling that HM review check is need to be checked. Yes, okay. And what sort of rules need to be in there any responsible person need to be assigned? You are saying that hiring manager is the person who
Yes,
is doing it.
HM meaning hiring manager. He
No,
should be assigned to the.
no, I'm
Uh,
talking about responsible group. Is any responsible group need to be get created to for the review new hire data step?
yes, it should. There should be a either a responsible group or any specific uh, user can also be given to that role. It depends upon the client's decision. We can either assign a group in which we can provide the users, or we can directly provide a user itself in the permissions.
Okay, got it. And how you configure the additional data collection? Any uh, what type of things you can configure in additional data collection, and what sort of things that you used to do? What are the general configuration steps for the additional data collection?
Additional data, coming to additional data collection, first what we have to do is we have to create a custom MDF object in manage sorry configure object definition
Mm.
tool. In the tool we have to create this one.
Mhm.
I- and we have to do all the changes. I mean, we have to do all the configuration in the tool. Uh, let's say I want to create uh, details of all passport, whether uh, passport name, username, passport number, country, all those things, which we have to give in the that configure object definition. Then we have to make after saving it, we have to go to the UI tool, in which we have to make the necessary changes. It will be displayed with the code, if with the code which we enabled in the configure object definition, and we have to make the necessary changes. If then After that, what we have to do is give the permissions to this custom object. Later, what we have to do is after giving permissions, we have to integrate it with the map it with the business rule to add it in the process variant manager. as additional data collection.
Okay, great. All right, no worries. It's okay. So this is about the additional data collection. Okay, no worries.
Yes.
Have you have a chance to work on the e-signature?
E-signature, yes, sir. If, we have worked on e-signature. After, I mean, I haven't involved in enabling it in provisioning, but after coming it into the instance, we have used only the embedded signature, not the
Mhm,
DocuSign part.
mhm. So how are you going to
Uh,
configure it? What sort of steps you are putting to put in a e-signature step?
Coming to the e-signature, we have to mainly use the document generation mapping, in
Mm-hmm.
which we have to in
Any
the
software, any Adobe software you are using to prepare the forms to play to the
for
placeholders?
no, we haven't gone through DocuSign or Adobe Lifecycle. We have gone through
No,
the
how are you going to prepare the form then?
through document generation. Like
That is not the e-signature. Just try to get more clarity of the e-signature, okay?
okay, yes,
Signature way, basically you first need to have first you need to prepare the document, irrespective you are doing the SAP embedded signature or DocuSign. That is not going to be that is the different thing, okay? But at least you need to prepare a form, okay? Preparing the form placeholder in where in the Adobe Cycle or any PDF editor, right? Okay, that is.
yes, okay. It will be done in document managed documentation tool only, right?
Maintain onboarding and onboarding document template. You need to
Okay,
upload
got
the
it.
document after preparing. You need to upload the document. Okay,
Yeah,
so
got it. Yes.
okay, all right.
So in that, we have to create create all the text and placeholders, and we have to
Mhm.
map it with the signature.
Yeah, that is okay.
Yes, yes.
Got it. All right. Have you ever chance to work on offboarding?
Boarding, yes, sir.
Hmm. What sort of
Uh,
things that you are doing in offboarding?
Coming to offboarding, uh, w- uh, we have to create separate process variant for offboarding, and
Mm-hmm.
we have to look into the events and event reasons like separation event. In which there will be multiple we have to provide multiple event reasons
Hmm.
in the business rule for this separation event, and we have to map it with the uh, uh, offboarding process variant.
Hmm.
Then we have to provide all the configuration necessary configuration like what are all the in the what I'm saying is about the process variant. In process variant, what we do is like we have to provide the data of uh, employee like uh, 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 KT plans and all those things and coming to that what we say asset recovery and
Hmm.
documents taking of the documents and all those things will be the part of offboarding. Please add if I am missing anything.
Okay, great. Got it, Rakesh. Okay, so I think you are okay with the interview. Okay, it's not that bad, but you need to explain the things more with more clarity. Okay, you need to put the sequence or manner. Don't jumble the things. Okay, it seems that you are
Yes,
just
yes.
your rate of speech is too high. You are not pausing it. Okay, when you are explaining, just take a pause in the sentence. Okay, whenever I am
Okay,
saying
okay.
At one sentence I am completing, I'm taking a pause because and you are jumbling the sentences. Okay, so that creating a mess that you know the things, but there is lacking the clarity. Okay,
Okay, okay, Arif.
okay. So that is the case. Okay, so you need to just go through and revisit everything once. Okay, knowing
Yeah,
the things.
sure, sure.
Okay, but need to explain the things and need to you should be sounding that you know the things. You had done the things. Okay, just try to pretend that you had done the things. Okay, don't just
Yes.
narrate the theoretical aspect. Nobody wants to listen the theoretical aspect. Just explain the
Like,
situation that while I'm doing this, when I'm configuring this step, I got this error. Sometimes this error has happened. Otherwise, if you not write those rule, we're explaining the offboarding, we have to include these rules. Okay, so if you're explaining these rules, then this will happen. So just try to show that your hands-on experience on that module. Okay, don't just narrate the stories.
yeah, sure, Arif.
That
Arif,
will
I
give
have
you.
a
Hmm.
couple
Yes,
of
yes.
questions.
Go
Like,
ahead.
I mean, like, can you help with couple of scenarios which you have, you faced
Yeah, we
difficult
will give
scenario?
you a project deck. Okay, Vinod will give you. That will help you out with that.
Will you share the real-time scenarios also? That would help
Mhm.
me.
Yeah, real type scenario will come when you are doing lots of hands-on. Right?
I'm saying, coming working on this server is different from
Mm.
the working with the client. It is different, right?
Mhm. Client will ask the questions. Client will give you the more scenarios.
Can you just explain a couple of scenarios or?
A couple of scenarios. What when you're
I
doing
mean,
securing high data, this type of challenges has come. When one of the client has asked these things, like that type of things will come.
what I'm asking is, what are the most difficult while configuring? What are the one or two difficult situations you faced while configuring the system? Uh, that kind of questions.
Mhm. That type of question will. Since we used to get it everything. Okay, sometime every now and then error is there. Some problem is always be occurring. Okay, when you are working on the support or implementation project, the challenges will be there. Okay, so but I cannot explain that because when you are working on the project, then only you will feel that part. That's why I'm saying that you do the hands-on. Okay, then you start getting the gravity of it. I am giving you a project. Okay, a project deck is ready for you. You just try
Okay.
it. Then we can
Yes.
speak of the scenarios.
Sure, Arif. Okay.
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 Rakesh, one more thing what I have observed now. Yes, Bro, don't jumble. Okay. Now let's
Mhm.
say I observed that Arif was asking what all the tasks we are doing in the onboarding. तो यहाँ पे
Yes.
आप don't try to convince the interviewer. Be the specific. जैसे मेरे हिसाब से onboarding में review new hire data, then personal data collection, additional data collection. These are the tasks, right, Arif? This is the
Yes,
answer
yes.
we are expecting, right? सो जितना पूछे ना उतना ही बताया करो. अगर हम सोच रहे हैं कि इसको थोड़ा ज्यादा बताएंगे तो ही कैन फील दैट यू आर द एक्सपीरियंस गाय. ऐसे में क्या होता है,
Okay.
आप खुद फंस जाते हो. आप खुद फंस से जाते हो.
Okay.
ओके.
Okay. Got it.
तो नेवर, अभी जैसे मैं देख रहा था आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो यू आर ट्राइंग टू गिव द एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन टू पोर्ट्रे दैट यू आर एक्सपीरियंस गाय. क्योंकि एक्सपीरियंस बंदा कभी जस्टिफिकेशन देते नहीं बैठता है. टू द पॉइंट बोलेगा खत्म कर देगा.
That's why I'm
ओके.
asking you to complete a project, get the real type scenario. You're not going to
हाँ.
get it from my experience. What I had got experience, that is my experience. Okay.
Yes. Okay, Arif.
Okay. I had
आई एम नॉट
shared the
श्योर.
feedback with Rakesh. Okay. Sorry, Vinod. Vinod will give you the assessment.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And we will conduct our more interview. Okay. Just be prepared. Just do more hands-on. Okay. I told you that interviewer don't want to listen the theoretical things from you. Okay, I was trying that when you put your part. Okay, when you are doing the hands-on on review new hire data, what sort of things that you had uh, put that interviewer want to listen from you.
Yeah,
And
sure.
yeah,
Next time I will be prepared for this one.
got it. Thank
So
you.
Rakesh,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you, Arif. So Rakesh, I will have one more round of interview from my side so that you will get the more confidence. Okay.
Sure. Thank you very much. Vinay.
Thank you, Arif, for your time.
Thank you.
Bye bye.